Hey guys, welcome to Amateur Cooking with Jess. Today I'm going to share with you how I make a simple and delicious salsa that I'll be pairing with some street tacos. And I'll go ahead and put the link in below in the description box for the street tacos so you can see how I make those. Now as far as salsa goes, I have hundreds of salsa recipes that I make, and each one's individually catered to a type of dish. In my family, we take salsa seriously. Whether you go to my mom's, my grandma's, my aunt's, my dad's, we always have homemade salsa on deck. So if you'd like to learn how I make my simple and delicious salsa, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my videos. For today's salsa recipe, we're going to be using 4 garlic cloves, a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 4 serrano peppers, a small handful of Japanese peppers, 1 tomato, and 4 tomatillos, or green tomatoes. Now, as far as the serranos go and the Japanese chilies go, if you don't like it too spicy, you can omit them. It's fine. You could probably get away with just 2 and maybe just a few of those. Not a big deal. First thing we're going to do with our salsa is bring it to a boil. Now that my salsa is boiling, or my vegetables, I'm going to go ahead and blend them. So we're going to go ahead and add our garlics. We're going to add our tomatillos, our serranos, our tomatoes, our Japanese chilies. For this salsa, I'm going to add only a little bit of water because I want it a little bit on the thick side. So just very little. If I need more, I'll go ahead and add some more. I'm going to add the chicken bouillon, and we're going to blend it. At this point, you want to try it and make sure it's good on salt. And you don't have to add chicken bouillon. I like that flavor. I use it on almost all my recipes. You can add regular salt. Ooh, it's delicious. And it's not too thick or too runny. And here's our salsa. Nice and fresh. Not too thick and not too runny. It's perfect. So there you have it, my simple and delicious salsa. It's not too thick and it's not too runny. It's a little spicy, not that spicy, but if you like it a little less spicy, I would omit the Japanese chilies and maybe add just 2 serranos, depending on your spice level. So now I'm going to go ahead and get started on my street tacos. Once again, I'll go ahead and link those below in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts, your opinions, anything you'd like to see below. Thank you for watching.